Welcome back, Junior Drawers. My name's Tom, and today we're drawing a lollipop wearing a tiny top hat. Now, if we were going to start our lollipop with a shape, what shape do you think we could use? A circle. That's a great idea. So let's use a nice circle to start our lollipop. There we go. Now that we've got a circle, we need to draw in the lollipop stick. And what's a good shape for a lollipop stick? A rectangle. That's a great idea. So let's use a nice long rectangle for our lollipop stick. There we go. And we've got a simple lollipop shape. Now, how do we turn this lollipop shape into a lollipop character? With a face, right? And what's the first step for drawing a face? The eyes. So let's draw two big circles for some lollipop eyes. Here we go. Now, once we've got our two big circles, we need our two smaller circles on the inside. Here we go. Now that we've got our two smaller circles, the next step, we need to color them in. So let's do our best coloring. There we go. Now our lollipop has some eyes. What's the next step for his face? A mouth. And what sort of mouth should we give him today? A happy one, right? So let's draw a nice smile for our lollipop. There we go. Now that we've got our lollipop's eyes and mouth, the only thing left to draw on his face are his eyebrows. Now he's got a happy smile, so we're going to draw some happy eyebrows to match. There we go. And now our lollipop's face is complete. The next step, we need to give him some arms and legs. And his legs today are going to be made up of letter L's. So let's draw one letter L going this way, and then we'll draw a silly backwards letter L going the other way. There we go. Now our lollipop has some legs. We need to draw in his arms next, and his arms are going to be really easy. We're going to use our snowman arms again, and we're going to draw one arm up and one arm down to make it look like he's waving. So let's start with the arm going down. Then we'll draw our other arm going up. Go. And our lollipop character is complete. Now the next step, our background. And I thought today our lollipop could be at the park. Now to draw our park background, we just need a straight line that goes from one side of the page all the way across to the other side of the page. So I'm going to start on this side And then we'll draw another straight line on this side. There we go. Now that we've got this straight line, the next step, we need to draw in our trees. And the trees are really easy. They start with a scratchy rectangle. And then we need to add a shape on top to turn it into a tree. So what's a good shape for our first tree? A circle. That's a great idea. So let's draw a nice circle for our first tree. There we go. Now that we've got our first tree, let's draw our second tree. So start with a scratchy rectangle. And now what's a good shape for our second tree? A triangle? That's an excellent idea. Let's use a triangle for our second tree. There we go. Now that we've got two trees, let's draw a third tree on the other side. So we'll start with a scratchy rectangle. Now what's a good shape for this third tree? A square. That's another great idea. Let's draw a square for this third tree. There we go. Now we've got room for one more tree. So let's start with our scratchy rectangle. There we go. Now for this last tree, I thought we could use something a little bit more fun. We've got a circle, we've got a triangle and a square. What about a love heart shaped tree? Let's use a nice love heart for this last tree. There we go. And we've got our trees on the horizon line. The next step is to make the bottom half of our picture look more like the park. So what can we draw on the bottom half to make it look more like the park? Some grass. Another great idea. So let's start with some big bits of grass at the bottom. And then we'll draw some small grass at the top. Okay. Now if we've got big grass down the bottom, small grass at the top, what size grass is going in the middle? Medium. Well done. So let's draw our medium-sized grass in the middle. And then we'll draw another one over here. Okay. Now that we've got our grass, it's time to draw in our rocks. And our rocks today are just going to be oval shapes. And they're going to work in the same way. Big rocks down the bottom, small rocks at the top, and medium-sized rocks in the middle. So let's draw a big rock down the bottom. Then we'll draw our smaller rock at the top. Okay. And now what size rock do we need in the middle? Medium, right? So let's draw a nice medium-sized rock in the middle of our page. We might draw one more over here. Okay. Now if you wanted to, you could add some more grass as well. I might add a little bit more grass over here. And maybe some more down here. And another one up here. And then what about one more down here? There's lots of grass in this park, okay? And now our picture is almost complete. I almost forgot the most important thing. We need to give this lollipop some shoes. So let's draw 2 heels at the tops of his feet. 1, 2. And our lollipop has some shoes. Now the only thing left to do is to draw his tiny top hat on top of his head. And today we're going to start our top hat with a straight line. Go. Now to turn this straight line into a top hat, we just need to draw a rectangle on top. There we go. Now to make our top hat look a little bit more interesting, we're going to add in one more straight line. There we go. And we've got our lollipop wearing a tiny top hat. Now your drawing challenge today is to draw something fancy for this lollipop to hold in his hand. So have a think about it, get drawing, and I'll see you next time.